All right, hot temperatures today to start off our work week, but maybe some potential for some isolated showers coming our way. Let's bring in Bill with the latest.
Yeah, Ken, isolated, the key word there, and the best chances will be across northern parts of the viewing area. You'll see that on radar in just a moment. But first of all, boy, we are used to these. Air quality alert through noon tomorrow for generally areas near and north and east of La Crosse from that wildfire smoke. It's kind of been the summer of air quality alerts across the region. And you can see visibility generally impacted from Eau Claire down to the Dells and Madison and east. That's where the wildfire smoke is thickest at this time, with just some minor reductions in visibilities elsewhere. We've got some debris clouds across the region as well, from some thunderstorm activity to our north. 89 was the high in La Crosse, 62 the low, 85 and 65 are the averages, 104 and 51 the records. No rainfall here in La Crosse. 85 degrees with a partly sunny sky, 86 at the station. The Mississippi up just a little bit, 4.82 feet. 85 for you folks in Eau Claire with a partly cloudy sky. Winds out of the west-northwest at 5 to 10. So current temperatures primarily in the 80s. Again, notice all the 90s out to the west here. Here's me, 97 degrees. We're going to share some of those 90s with the rest of the middle of the nation over the next several days. You'll see that on the 8-day forecast. But currently, temperatures in the 80s across the region. 85 in Eau Claire and La Crosse, 88 in Winona, 83 in Viroqua, and 84 in Prairie du Chien. Dew points generally between about 60 and 70 degrees, so sticky for most. A little bit in that uncomfortable range for those of you in the 66 to 70 degree range. Kind of a muggy night with dew points between about 65 and 67 degrees. Not any relief from the wind, and it is mainly calm, just a few breezes around those thunderstorms. Now, most of them are to the north. What's happening is we've got a frontal boundary kind of stalled up here. That's the cause for the showers and storms, and then as they track south, they kind of run into some more stable air, so they generally fall apart. So that's why the best storm chances this evening through about sunset will be across northern parts of the region, and just these debris clouds that you saw through CityCam from those dying storms. So as this disturbance kind of ripples through the atmosphere this evening, that chance for some isolated storms, again, best chances in our far northern, maybe northwestern communities. Can't fully rule out an isolated strong to severe storm with some hail and gusty winds, especially near and north of Interstate 94 through about sunset. I do expect most of the storms to behave, though. So Sky Tracker shows those storms quickly dissipate by about 9 o'clock or so. Tomorrow, we are looking at sunny to partly cloudy skies and a dry day, but hotter day as well. And then later tomorrow night into Wednesday, a slight chance for some scattered storms as we head into early Wednesday. Sky Tracker not overly impressed with the chance, but other models a little bit more impressed. Quick check of the forecast temperatures for tomorrow. Yeah, 90 plus degrees for most spots. In fact, most areas seeing highs between about 88 and 93 degrees or so, so a little bit warmer than what we saw today, and get used to these hot temperatures. 65 tonight, that small chance for some storms, especially north and west this evening. Maybe some patchy fog late tonight. 93 tomorrow, a dry day. Slight chance of storms late tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. 92 on Wednesday, 97 on Thursday, 93 on Friday. Another chance of storms Thursday night and into Friday. Back in the 80s for highs for the weekend. Ken?
All right, sweltering indeed later this week. Thank you, Bill.